Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about to find a largest file within a folder or subfolder. So for that I have created a folder called largest file, and I have created two files here, file 1 and file 2, and each is having a like memory. One is 7 KB, another is 0 KB. So we are going to write a Python program to find out the largest file within this folder. So let's start. So if you know that to interact with the operating system, so with the Python, so you are having an inbuilt module called OS. So this module has exposed many inbuilt functions which is going to interact with the operating system, and it is going to return us a result. So to find the largest file in a folder or subfolder, I have imported the OS module here, and I am basically giving an uh, I'm basically entering, like, while I'm going to run this program. So I'm going to give an input path to this program. So I have here basically taken an input for the taken an input for the from the user. So where for the folder, so where we are going to check the largest file. So after that I have taken this particular folder path, and I'm passing it to the absolute path method, which is going to return us an absolute path, whatever the input we are going to pass. So after that, I have declared two variable. One is size to store each file size, and another is maximum size to store the maximum size of the files is present in the folder, subfolder or subfolder. After that, I have declared another variable called maximum file. So here with this variable, I'm going to store the entire complete path of the maximum file, which you are going to find it out. So next what I did, I have used the waste.walk method. So this waste.walk method is basically going to help us to walk through all the folders and subfolders and the files, and to store these three things, I have declared three variables, like three range variables: folders, subfolders, and files in my for loop. After getting all the files in a subfolder, I am going to use the waste start method, and here again I have like joined the folder and file path to get an absolute path here, and I'm using a property st underscore size, which is giving us which is giving going to give us the file size of a particular file. And I have a condition here to check the size of the current file and the whatever the maximum size of the file we are going to have. So I'm going to check this condition, right, and I'm going to store the maximum size of the file. And if okay, so if basically before if the file before is exceeds size exceeds the maximum file size, then I'm going to initialize this variable with the current file size, and I'm going to join the both the folder and the file, and I'm going to store the like path of the maximum file in this variable, and finally I'm printing that here. So let's run this program. So as you see here, it is asking to enter input and folder path. So I'll go here, I'll copy this folder path, and I will paste it here, and I'll press enter. And if you see, it is telling that the file 2.xls has the largest has the largest size, and the size is 6192 bytes. So this is the way we are going to find out the largest file in a folder or subfolder. So you can find this code repository, GitHub code repository, in my description box, as well as my blog link in the description blog as well. Thank you.